A rare model with only 400 limited editions, Subaru Impressa 22B STI, is on sale in the second-hand market. The condition is outstanding, the price is about 3 times higher than the new car. That legend 22B STI appears in the used car market. The ultra-rare model, Impressa 22B STI, 196th of the 400 units, that Subaru manufactured only a limited number of 400 units, is on sale at the luxury used car dealer, 4-Star Classics in the UK. This model was inspired by the late Ryoichiro Hughes, who was the president of STI, Subaru Technica International, in 1997. It has become a unit that pays homage to the model that won the WRC Manufacturers' Championship for 3 consecutive years. Extreme specification with low-speed torque, upgrades that you might not expect from the EJ20 type. This model not only enhances the premium by adding value to the image of the glorious WR car, but also demonstrates powerful power by adopting a huge turbocharger, forged piston, sodium-filled exhaust valve, and intake valve, equipped with an EJ20 engine, that can be used. In addition, a horizontally opposed engine with a displacement increase to 2.2 liter by boring up the engine with ample chassis performance. As a result, the maximum output is 363 Nm while maintaining the maximum output of 280 PS, which was the self-regulation at the time. The EJ20 engine, that had a strong image of a high rotation type, it is regrettable that production will end in 2019, but it will be able to run strongly at low speed torque, and the acceleration time of 0 to 100 km/h is less than 3 seconds, boasts amazing specs. For the suspension, all 4 wheels are equipped with large diameter discs, with a 4-piston caliper on the front and a 2-piston caliper on the rear. In addition, Bilstein suspension, twin-disc clutch, 5-speed manual transmission, differential lock control module are installed. And as for the body panel, it is currently considered because this unit incorporates a very elaborate work of welding, the blister fender panel after cutting, the rear quarter panel of the white body of the rear fender once. It is a unit that has Subaru's strong feelings and soul as much as possible. The price of used cars has soared so that used cars such as Lamborghini and Ferrari can be purchased. This model has a mileage of 41,287 kilometers, but the body, engine condition, and interior are in the best condition. The new car sales price was about 5 million yen at the time, but the cost was almost 5 million yen, so it was a serious one made by the manufacturer as a manufacturer, and the user who purchased this was also wrong. I think it was a very satisfying one. Currently, this model's used car sales price is about 13.9 million yen, about 2.8 times higher than the new car price, but this is also a unit that has been sold for more than 15 million yen at a time, so this time I think that the individual is definitely one to buy. The EJ20 model will also be discontinued, possibly increasing its value.